Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video it's gonna be a video about TikTok applications again, and I will to show you the way how to share a TikTok video into your WhatsApp story. So just let your friends on WhatsApp know what actually you are watching the TikTok. So to do that, guys, you just need to go up under your TikTok and go into the home section, find out the video that you feel that is funny or informative or inspiring, and after that to send them into your WhatsApp story. You just need to take a look on this right button here and go click this rose button. And now you just need to take a look on this part. There will be a WhatsApp symbols right here. There will be a WhatsApp in the general and specific a WhatsApp story or status. Now you just need to linked into your WhatsApp. And after that, you just need to go click in this WhatsApp application. And now you just need to go checklist this button and go click next. You can also add the caption for the video, but then if you are ready to post, go click this button, and now those video is already posted into your WhatsApp status or WhatsApp story. So that's the way how to share the TikTok video into the WhatsApp story or status. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.